If you're new here, my name's Crystal. I do a bunch of different content, makeup, reviews, vlogs, all of that good stuff. So if you're into that kind of content, definitely make sure you give today's video a thumbs up. Most importantly, make sure you're subscribed to your girl's channel. Make sure your notification bell is turned on so you get an alert every time I post a new video. And to my regular subscribers who support me through and through, hey guys, your girls bring you guys a makeup tutorial. So I'm gonna show you guys how I got and achieved this look. I really haven't been wearing makeup as much. Follow me on social media because I am very much on TikTok and Instagram, so you can definitely see your girl there if I am not posting as much on YouTube. So if you want to see how your girl completed this makeup look, then keep watching. So guys, this is a really easy makeup look that I decided to do. So it should be pretty easy to follow. I go literally step by step on everything. The only thing I really didn't show were my brows, because you guys know brows for me is something that just takes some time, and it's like every day is it's something new with it, right? They never come out exactly the same. So I like to always do that off camera, but right now in this clip, I am basically lining and shaping them using concealer. And obviously that's usually always my first step. I go from brows to eyeshadow and then my base. So you can do whatever works for you. That just happens to be what works for your girl. But definitely if you are looking for step-by-step tutorial on how to like achieve a look, and this is like a very simple eyeshadow look, it's not anything complicated, this is the video for you. So make sure you watch thoroughly through the entire video so you guys can see exactly what it is your girl does. And this process that I'm showing you guys here does not change. It is my exact process that I do every time I do my makeup, right? So the only thing that changes is literally maybe the eyeshadow look or the type of products that I want to use. But other than that, this is the same technique through and through that your girl does every day. Okay, so look at the video, you know, watch what I'm doing. I do show some of the products. I don't show all of them, but your girl uses the same products every time, so nothing out of the ordinary. But like I said, use whatever works for you. You don't have to necessarily use what I'm using in the video. Whatever concealer, whatever foundation, whatever setting powder works for you, do what works for you, but just follow my technique and you'll have like a flawless makeup look every single time. So enjoy the video. If you guys have any questions or anything specific that you want me to basically clarify in another video, leave it in the comment section and your girl will make sure that she responds or give you the answer that you're looking for, whatever the case may be. But I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure your post notification bell is on. And don't forget to follow your girl on social media. All of that stuff is in my description box if you need any info.